Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new on my channel, I want to please um, encourage you to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you'll be notified every time I post a new video on this channel. All right guys, in our last video, we went over a lot about um, present simple, okay? The first, second, and third person. And also, we talked about first, second, and third plural, okay? Now, does anyone remember what the difference is between um, first and second singular versus third person singular? All right, the differences are that you add an S to the third person singular, all right? Now, we've finished most of this, and now we're coming up, we're gonna skip page 25, all right? We're gonna go down to reading and speaking, all right? Because the reason for that is we have to do a listening lesson, and my video here will not record the speaker while I am talking as well, okay? So we will skip this, page 25, and we will go straight to page 26, all right? Now, on number 1, match a verb in A with the words in B. Okay, so here's the words in A, and this is the words in B. Okay, watch TV, listen to music, play maybe the piano, okay, or play cards. All right. Go shopping, get up late, or get up, get up late, cook dinner. Where's dinner? Okay, cook dinner, play cards, play the piano, go shopping, get up late, and cook dinner. All right. Now, if you guys want to post more verbs underneath the bottom and add words that you want to just add for the fun of it, it's perfectly fine. We can do that. We can have fun doing that. All right. Number 2, look at the picture and read the introduction about Jamie Cullum and Supa Shetty. What do they do? And what do they like doing at the weekends? All right. Jamie Cullum is a songwriter and jazz pianist. Jamie Cullum lives in London with his wife, Sophia Dial, and model and cookery writer. He enjoys going to markets, French films, and playing cards at the weekend. All right, so tell me 2 things that he likes to do. All right, he likes going to the market and he likes playing cards on the weekend. All right, who's his wife? His wife is Sophia Doyle. All right, what does his wife do? She is a model and she is a cookbook writer, right? Right. Now, answer the questions about your person. All right, maybe your wife, your sister, your father, your mother, your husband, etc., etc. Okay. Do or does he or she stay in town or the country at the weekends? Does he go outside? Does he even leave his house, or does he work at home? All right. Who does he or she like to be with? Okay. Does he like to be with his friends? Does he like to go see his mother? Does he like to go shopping? Does he like to be with the kids all day? Or does he like to stay on the phone and talk or text? What does he or she like doing on Saturday mornings? Saturday mornings are usually the weekend, meaning that is the free time. A lot of people like to watch TV. A lot of people like to play video games, read the newspaper, cook, clean, go walking, go to the gym. What does your partner or your friend or your parent like to do? Does he or she like playing cards? Do you like playing spades? Do you like playing Uno? All right. Does he or she like cooking? Me, I love cooking. My wife, not so much. I love to cook. All right. Just go through and answer all of these the best that you know how, and just think about them for yourself. Speaking. All right, this is good practice for you guys, okay? Number 6, this is really good practice. On a blank piece of paper, write down 2 things you like doing on the weekend, okay? Me on the weekend. I like to stay home and I like to play my video game. I like to stay home and I like to play my video game. All right, that's 2 things. I like to stay home and I like to play my video game. It's 2. All right, so the weekends. All right, this is a lot of reading, so we're going to skip this, okay? We're going to skip this part here. All right, speaking and listening. Speaking and listening. All right. Your work-life balance. Read and complete the questionnaire about you. Write a check or an X. Then look at the answer key. Do you have a good work-life balance? Okay. Ask your teacher the questions. Then ask 2 students. Compare the questionnaire about them. Do you like your work? Yes, I do. Yes, sometimes. No, I don't. All right. Now, what do you think? How many people do you know who love their work? How many people do you know that love their work? Okay, maybe 10. Do you know people who don't love their work? Yes, it is more than 10, maybe 20. If you like your job, you never have to work again. Do you agree? Um, no, I do not agree. If you like your job, it will make your if you're happy with your job, things should be easier for you. Okay? Just because you like your job does not mean you never have to work again. You have to work, you have bills. Life is not free. All right, now let's go to the questionnaire. Let's go to the questionnaire. We're only going to do 5, okay, guys? We're only going to do 5 of these. All right, so I like my work. Me, absolutely. Have many free time activities? Not a lot, okay? Not a lot. Spend a lot of time with family and friends? Not so much. Relax on the weekends? Yes. Have breakfast before you go to work? No, sometimes. Maybe 3 days in the week, I will have breakfast before I go to work. All right? I will have breakfast before I go to work. So I think I got a 3 there. 1, no. Do not spend a lot of time with family and friends. Yes, and yes. So I got a 3 out of 5. Let me know how you did, guys. Let me know on the questionnaire how you did from 1 to 5 so we can have a little competition. That'd be cool. All right, or you can go down here. Okay, 3 to 5. 3 out of 5. Your work life is okay. But you live for work if you got only 2 correct. No, guys. But my work life balance is okay. That's what it says here in the bottom. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. All right. Everyday English expressions, social expressions. Now, you're probably asking, what is a social expression? Look at the pictures of Hakan, a student of English in Oxford. Where is he? Who are the other people? Look at the first lines of conversation A. They are all conversation of Haka's day. Who says the lines? Is it Haka, his host family, or his teacher? Another student or the woman who works in the coffee bar? Bye. Have a great day. Maybe that's his family. All right. Maybe number 1 is his family. Number 2, I'm sorry, I'm late. The traffic's very, very bad this morning. Maybe Haka. What's the matter, Haka? Do you have a problem? Maybe his teacher. Can I open the window? It's really warm in here. Maybe another student. Maybe Haka. Do you want a macchiato? Where do we get macchiatos? That sounds like a coffee, right? So we would get that at a coffee bar. Excuse me, is this seat free? Another student maybe wanting to sit down in school. Number 9, hi Haka, how was your day? Maybe his family, maybe his teacher, or maybe another student. Many different other ideas for this, okay? So let's continue. If you guys have any questions about these social expressions here, these are all social expressions along with B, okay? These are all social expressions, all right? Now, we are going to match these answers from the pictures on the side, okay? I cannot see all of the answers, okay? I cannot see all of the answers, so we're going to skip this. Work with the partner. Practice some of the conversations. Try to continue them. All right, this is, all right, A, B, A, B, A. Now, these are what they want you to practice this with someone, but it's okay to practice with by yourself. All right? Bye. Have a nice day. Thanks. Same to you. Or you can say, you too. Have a good day. See you later. Right. At about 4 o'clock? At about 4 o'clock. Okay. What time do we go home? At about 4 o'clock. Well, school didn't finish till 4. School doesn't finish till 4. Oh, okay. See you at 4:30 then, okay? I have an appointment at 4. But, or well, school does not finish until 4:30. Okay? So, see you at 4. All right, guys. This is where we will stop for the day, for the lesson today. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Please like or dislike this video. I need everyone to stay updated with me on these videos, so subscribe and follow me here. Also, share the video if you like. We can attract more people. All right. Have a great day, guys, and see you soon.